we are going to continue with the technological properties of building products. Complex properties with values depending on measurement methods are defined technological properties. In order to compare different products according to technological properties, they must be measured using same measurement and experiment method. First, we need to define deformation. If any applied force to a product causes some changes in its microstructure, that results any change in the form of the product, this situation can be defined as deformation. According to the deformation types, materials can be classified as elastic, plastic, and elastoplastic materials. Elasticity is the ability of a material to deform under a deforming force, resist to it, and to return to its original size and shape when the force is removed. Plasticity is the propensity of a material to undergo permanent deformation even after the force is removed. Elastoplasticity is the condition of showing both elastic and plastic properties, deforming under a force and partially returning to its original shape after the force is removed. We need to examine some strength. First of all, we have fracture, breaking strength. Fracture is the separation of a material into two or more pieces under the action of stress. Materials failing via fracture under compressive stress are called brittle materials. Opposite to this, ductile materials have the ability to deform and stretch before reaching its limit of elasticity. In brittle fracture, no apparent plastic deformation takes place, whereas in ductile fracture, extensive plastic deformation occurs before fracture. Impact resistance is the ability of a material to withstand a high force applied to it over a short period of time. This type of force has a greater effect than a weaker force over a long period in terms of fracture. Stiffness is the rigidity of an object, the extent to which it resists deformation in response to an applied force. Wear resistance. For the wear resistance, we need to know what the wear is. Wear is the erosion of small particles from the surface of materials under forces according to its stiffness. Fatigue is the weakening of material caused by repeatedly applied loads under its elasticity limit, resulting in early and brittle fracture.